We are pleased to show you the 2018 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.